What's up guys, welcome to the video. It is me, Carrie, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to use the Tip.cc bot. So, we are moving on to the server, and as you can see, we have the bot right here. And you want to make sure to send him a DM, since that's more simple. So, you just send a dot to him. Basically what you want to do is first check up on your balances. You can do that by typing in bells, like this, and then you see all your balances. So now what we want to do is we want to withdraw or revival. You have to type in withdraw and then the name of the coin you want to withdraw, and in this case that's revival. And after that it will ask you for your address. So you copy in your address, and after that you will have to type in all if you want to withdraw all, of course, but if not, you just place in the amount you want to withdraw. After pressing on all, you will see a confirm button, the fee, the withdrawal amount, so what you will get in total, etc. You press on confirm, and after that it is sent. Now we have received the currency in our wallet. So that's how to withdraw with the Tip.cc bot. I hope it helped you, and if it did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.